Hello there, my name's Alex from Gardening Express, and today we're going to be looking at the Acer Moonlight that we have right here today. So right now we're going to be having a look at a few different points in this video, how to look after your Acer Moonrise. Those being sunlight, watering, and also the soil in which you should keep it. Like with any plant that you have, you need to be focusing on the sunlight. And we're very lucky today. It's absolutely beautiful sun, and hopefully it's going to be the same over where you are too. Now with the Acer, it really likes a little bit of indirect sun. It can tolerate a bit of direct sunlight, but it tends to grow a little slower when it does that. As you can see with some of these leaves, they start really nice and green, and they'll stay like that and then into a yellow. But once you get a little bit more sunlight, you get this wonderful sort of petan colour, as you also get here. So sunlight, you want it to plant it in an east and north facing direction, and there you're good to go. So we've talked about sunlight, we've talked about how it looks. We also now need to talk about how to water your plants. With these, you want to make sure you're watering from the base here. Once the top layer of soil is started to get a bit dry, that's when you want to start watering it. Make sure not to waterlog it though, because it won't like that at all. As you can see here, you've got these lovely sort of palm-like leaves and these wonderful veins of green. And as I mentioned before, with the colour changing, these veins will stay this green, so you get this really lovely, different, diverse texture in the colours within your Acer, which will look absolutely stunning in your garden. We've talked about sunlight, we've talked about soil, and also watering the plant and how it's going to look in your garden. Now, if you've liked this video, please give us a like and a subscribe to our channels. Make sure that you follow us on all the social media pages. And if you want to know a little bit more about the Acer and other plants as well, make sure that you visit our website and our knowledge hub from there. Thank you very much, and make sure you get one of yours today at Gardening Express.